Clinical pictures of person countries data person. Pelvic pain due to but in the inevitable and incomplete person, the vital sign remains changed by the tachycardia and high pulse and shock is present. For abdominal HMS, at the midpoint of the spino-umbilical line where the fetal bag is present. Here the there the fetal bag is present. So here the fetal heart rate for 1 minute.
जस्ट
1 minute
कौन सी थे हाथ रहिबनी कान रे डायरेक्ट हाथ टच करिवनी
watch देखुची
The normal fetal heart rate is 120 to 160 beats per minute. Then I explain the mother about the finding. Then above the symphysis pubis, then the gestational age is 12 weeks. If the fundal height is at the lower 1/3 of the distance between the symphysis pubis and the umbilicus, then the gestational age is 16 weeks. If the fundal height is at the second third of the distance between the symphysis pubis and the umbilicus, then the gestational age is 20 weeks. If the fundal height at the level of umbilicus, then the gestational age is 24 weeks. If the fundal height is the lower fundal height is present at the lower 1/3 of the distance between the umbilicus, then the fundal height is 28 weeks. If the fundal height is at the level of the second third of the distance between the umbilicus and the sternum, then the gestational age is 32 weeks. If the fundal height is at the level of sternum, then the gestational age is 36 weeks. At term, the fundal height is sinks back to the at the level of 32 weeks, but different the flax is full. Thank you.
Thank you.
Admit the mother in the brain, then monitor the vital signs, assess for the amount of blood.